Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Google Analytics to your Mailchimp account. If you've ever wanted to really understand your email campaigns and see how they're performing, this is the perfect tutorial for you. By the end, you'll have these tools talking to each other, giving you richer insights, and don't worry, it's actually a pretty straightforward process. Let's dive in together and walk through the steps one by one. First things first, let's make our way over to Mailchimp. Open up your browser and log into your Mailchimp account just like you normally would. If you haven't logged in for a while, take your time, no rush. You want to make sure you're in the right dashboard because all the settings we'll need are found right here. Remember, setting up the integration doesn't impact your existing campaigns, so you won't break anything by poking around. Once you're in your Mailchimp account, look for the option called Integrations. Sometimes it's along the left-hand sidebar, and depending on updates, it might be in a slightly different spot, but don't stress if you need to take a moment to find it. Just think of this as the control center for connecting Mailchimp with other apps or services. Click on Integrations. Mailchimp is asking you basically, which tools do you want me to work with? Now that you're in the integrations area, find the Google Analytics integration among the list. You'll see lots of other choices like Facebook, Shopify, and more, but for our purpose today, let's focus on Google Analytics. Next to Google Analytics, there will be a button or a link that says Manage. Click on that. Think of Manage as your meeting room where you set the rules for how Mailchimp and Google Analytics will chat with each other. Okay, here comes the pivotal move. In the Google Analytics management pane, look for the option to connect to Google Analytics. Go ahead and click that. This is basically you telling Mailchimp that, yes, I'd like to grant you access so you can help me track my campaign performance all the way through to Google Analytics. Sometimes folks worry about clicking this because it sounds technical, but really, it's just opening a door between two trustworthy platforms. After you click Connect, Mailchimp is going to prompt you to log in with your Google account. This needs to be the Gmail address linked to the Google Analytics property you want to connect. Enter your credentials and sign in. If you use different Gmail addresses for different projects, make sure you're connecting the one that matches your analytics dashboard. Otherwise, you might end up scratching your head later, wondering where your data went. Once you're logged in and you've granted the permissions, that's pretty much it. You'll see a confirmation message in Mailchimp letting you know that the Google Analytics integration was set up successfully. That's your green light. The two platforms are now communicating. Think of it like joining the dots between your email marketing and your website data so you can finally see the full picture of how your audience is interacting with your brand. And there you go, your Mailchimp and Google Analytics accounts are now connected, and you're set up to gain much deeper insight into what happens after people click on your campaigns. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you've got questions or there was a part that felt confusing, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. I always check these and I'll be happy to help out. And if you want more tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a step in improving your marketing game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.